not the same as like 30 minutes ago. It's already approaching, because before it was like, it's before it was like a leaving view, like you can see it like leaving, but right now it's approaching, so it's going this way. So earlier the ride was going that way, the position is going that way, and right now the ride is going this way. So it's good for me because I can see it now, the view approaching. So I think in, let's say 12, it's 12 noon right now, or 11:47, almost 12 noon. So few hours left. No, not really few hours. It's going to be 15 hours left, and I'll be in Hanoi. So see you in a bit. It's lunchtime. I order food from their cart over there, and this is the food. Not bad. 40k. So let's eat. Sunset over there. Actually, it's a very nice traincation. I call it traincation because I'm like having a vacation on a train, and I thought I'm going to be bored, but contrary to what I expected, I actually enjoyed it. Like the bed is also quite comfortable. Like, of course, it's not the same as a sleeper bus that you can really stretch and move a lot. But right here in their cabin, it's for me, it's so much better because you can walk around, you can go to the toilet, you can wash your hands. They have the sink, you can get hot water if you want to have coffee, and they also sell food during breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So in fact, I even have I had my lunch. I had my lunch earlier, and it was decent food. So I'm just show you the view. It's a worth it traincation. So yeah, question for those who are wondering how much does it cost for the train ticket from Ho Chi Minh back to Hanoi, or from Ho Chi Minh to Hanoi. I actually paid like 1,700,000 or 1,07,200 for the ticket. Yeah, it's even more expensive than a normal flight, because if you're gonna fly, it will you can get a 1.2 million or 1.3 million ticket. So yeah, it's more expensive, but I like it. I like it a lot. I'm not doing anything for now, so it's so worth it. It's like I've been to a lot of cities already by train, but it's just that I didn't explore it. I just watch it and enjoy the view. I really like it. So worth it. And I think it will be so much better if you're going to have someone with you, like your special someone with you here, because at least you can talk to someone. Because right here I have also like roommates, but they don't speak English. I speak very limited Vietnamese, so when we talk to each other, I'm using my very một chút tiếng Việt. I'm using my very little Vietnamese, so it's really hard for us to communicate, but it's fun. They're very nice. They've been offering me like bim bim, or they call it snacks, sweets. So yeah, they're nice. They're like Hanoi. They're like a father figure already. So yeah, background talking. That's them. So I think since it's already 6, so I'll be counting 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 10 more hours and I'll be in Hanoi. See you later.
Minh nhìn thấy được.
PM slot.